Welcome to Weekly Code Quickies, your place for coding news, software updates, tricks and tips, and more. In today's episode, we're going to talk about Visual Studio Code's latest update, the version 1.9. I'm Noble BM, and let's get started with the latest updates. This came out in May 2024, and I'm going to tell you right from the start that only one of them is actually significant, but let's go over all of them. So we got editor tabs, multiple select, profiles, editor actions, Copilot extensibility, VS Code, speech, find in notebooks, chat context, and IntelliSense in chat response. One of them is interesting. All of the rest of them are maybe useful. For example, profile. This will let you to jump around here. So wait, it's here. Set disable CD. No, wait, it's somewhere here. Profile. There we go. Configure custom profile for new windows. Basically, this is going to let you select the window and customize your profile for example, Dockwrite testing, Python, so whatever window you're going to choose. But if you're a web developer, then you're doing React stuff or vanilla JavaScript stuff. If you're a Python developer, you're in Python. So I don't get it. Are you jumping around here? If you're editing text, then you're doing some markdown language. So what is the point of this? Maybe there's a point to this. Maybe this, for some extremists, not extremists, but fundamentalists, there is a point for this update. But hey, there we go. We have now profile. Okay, so let's jump back. Editor actions. I don't get it. So check this out. Always show editor actions. We are introducing the always show editor action settings. When you enable these settings, the editor title actions for each editor group are always shown. Who needs this? I don't get it. Who the heck needs this? Well, nevertheless, check this out if you want. I do not find it useful at all. But let's jump to what is useful. It's actually the edited tabs multiple selections. So this one right here. Check this out. What this does is let you select multiple tabs, which you can already do, and close them up, which I find pretty interesting. Let me just show you something. Let's see. We are in my there. Not allowed to see that. Okay, let's see. Okay, nevertheless, let's say you're here in my projects and you have every single application open up, chatbot, testing, bunch of stuff. Yeah. So you can basically select them, holding down Control, and then right-click and close them all. Okay, simple as that. But it can do also, so let's just check out the update. You can now select multiple tabs simultaneously, enable you to apply actions to multiple editors at once. So just as I showed you, and also as they're showing here, right here in the video. This new feature now enables you to move, pin, or close several tabs. Now, this is pretty cool because, for example, let me just show you this again. You have multiple JavaScript tags or React app tags, but you also have, let's just check, this is the right example. Yeah, let's just see you have these two CSS tabs, and you want to style multiple things, which in some particular cases, let's say you have a different style for a navigation, a header, and something else, and you have, especially when you're working only in HTML. Let's say you have something of HTML. Yes, this index HTML. Okay, you have this open, and we can't see much because it's really small, a small resolution. Let's say you have this to the left side, and you want to have your app and your index, these two, to be edited. Now you can drag both of them to the right side and only have CSS to the right side and HTML to the left side. Because, for example, you want to edit only the chat box. You have one component CSS for the chat box. You're going to edit that. You're done with it. You're going to close it up, and then you're going to add the chat input and so on and so on. So pretty cool stuff. This is by far the most interesting update that they made. Everything else, it's kind of. Okay, so yeah, you can control command select them. To select a range of tabs, you can use Shift. So basically, you can see here. Oh no, this is just dragging them to the right side. But let me just show you this again. You can Visual Studio Code just froze up. Interesting. Yeah. just going to leave it at that. You can select them like in any selections. Select the first one, and here it is. The first one, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Want to select the first three, so you're going to select the first one. The third one, holding down Shift, you're going to select everything to the first one. That's it. Okay, now let's move on to Copilot extensibility with AI. So I just said AI, don't flip out. Build AI into extensions with the chat and language model API. Whatever, forget about it. You're going to see the use case for AI real soon. It's limited. It's helpful, but it's really limited. VS Code speech automatically read out Copilot chat responses with text to speech. Who needs that? Who needs that? Finding notebooks. Maybe you need it. I don't know. Not judging. Finding notebooks. Restrict search to select cells in notebooks. Yeah, okay. So basically enhance search once again. Why are we searching so much? I don't get it. Chat context, quickly attach different types of context to the in chat and intelligence in this is slightly interesting. Intelligence in chat code blocks. Now suppose basically intelligence with Copilot. So this is also interesting. This is very interesting. Lets you use many of the same intelligence tools that you might already use in the editor and can help you better understand the generated code. Okay, so basically the code is generated. If you hover over it, it's going to tell you what it is. Here's also an example. Now this is generated to the left side. You know you have in Visual Studio Code your chat bot that you can open, exactly as he has it up here. There's a chat open. And okay, so what does it do? This fits for me, and it's going to drag and drop it to the right side. Yes, this could be useful. I'm not sure. Again, if you don't understand the code, you shouldn't write the code, you should apply the code. So it should be obvious to you. Once again, AI helps you enhance or write quicker code, does not help you write good code. Okay, the code, the efficiency of the code still relies on the developer. Okay, so that's enough for me. Jump back here. That's enough for me. If you enjoyed this, give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Of course, if you want to learn Visual Studio Code, links down in the description below for my complete course on Visual Studio Code. This being said, love you everyone. Keep coding. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.